Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. This is our another video in integration series. Now in this video I am going to show you how to delete the records through Excel sheet and they will be deleted from NetSuite. Let's take a scenario that many times it is required that the manager wants to delete few records which are wrongly inserted. Now what to do? First of all, let me tell you about the configurations. Here the Python should be installed on the system, all the necessaries libraries, and then one RESTlet link will be created by the NetSuite developer. That RESTlet link will be shared with the website developer. That is, it could be either any programming language like Python or PHP, any, right? Now, here we have used here Python, right? Now, as soon as the button is hit, let me show you with a practical. See here, last time I have shown you these two buttons. This is for getting the data. I have extracted the data of 50 records. I have extracted total 50 records from NetSuite. Let me show you. These are top 50 records that I have extracted. Now, few are pending fulfillment, few are pending billing, right? That means those which are pending billing, that means the item fulfillment records has been generated, right? So definitely as a developer, I also know that not all records are deleted. Very few records will be deleted. But for the manager, it is necessary that you have to provide a separate sheet of unsuccessful records that these records are not deleted. You have to provide. For example, if I hit here delete record, so not all will be deleted, but the manager should know which records are not deleted. So I'm going to showcase that mechanism here. Let's take an example here. Let me take few records, right? For example, pending fulfillment, Great Lakes software. Let's take a mixed records. We will take few records of pending fulfillment and we will take few records of pending billing, right? And then pending approval also here. So, for example, let's take this Great Lakes softwares. Okay, I will delete this. First of all, we will take this pending billing, pending fulfillment, pending OK Spider Consulting. We will keep this record also. And then out of which from RESO to 1127. Okay, RESO to 1127 we will delete. For our practice purpose, I am showing you. I am deleting these. And after that, these are this Podolsky is the pending fulfillment. Okay, pending billing. Let's this vector to James. Okay, I'm going to delete this vector to James from here to James. Okay, and then again, let's take one more Vase and Fry tag. Okay, Vase and Fry tag. We will keep Vase and Fry tag from Atlas to Vase and Fry tag. Okay, delete. Okay, I will delete the all remaining. Right now, there is no use of this. I am deleting this. Okay. Now these are the mixed records. Few are pending billing and few are pending fulfillment. Now those which are pending billing, they can't be deleted because they are having some supporting documents also. So I'm going to delete this, right? I'm going to delete this and I will get the array of those which are unsuccessful. That means which are not deleted. Right now 1210. Let's take this 1210 is the total records, right? Yeah, total records. Now out of which I'm going to delete. Okay, I'm going to delete this record. I'm going to hit this button, right? Delete records. Total 10 records I am attempting to delete. Okay, now it's done. I have received the array also. Now see here, it has created another file unsuccessful entries. These are the unsuccessful records which are not deleted. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means out of 10, 4 records are not deleted and 6 records are deleted. Correct? So 12, 10 is the total, and out of these, 6 records are deleted. So let me refresh this first. See, 6 records are deleted. That means 1204 is here. 1204, that means 6 records are deleted. Previously, it was 1210. And these are the 4 records which are not deleted. Let's check this out. See here, 57278, 57278. First of all, let me show you 57278. Let's come here first. 57278 is not deleted, okay. And 9525, 9529, 9529 is not deleted, and 1417 and 558. Okay, these 6 are deleted. Let's check it out. Waste and freight tag, right? 1513. Let me show you 1513. Control F, 1513. It's not, now it's not there. Okay, 2153. 2153. Again, it is not there. That means these 6 records are deleted. These below 6 records are deleted, and these top 4 records are not deleted. Why they are not deleted? Because they are pending billing, and those which are not having any dependent document, they are deleted. But our target is to show the manager that these four records are not deleted, so that he will be having a clear idea that which are not deleted. Otherwise, he might be thinking that yeah, all are deleted. So this is necessary to generate a file of unsuccessful records. That is what I have showcased here. Now let me show you what we have done first. First of all, as soon as we hit this button, immediately a command prompt is opened, and that command prompt executes that Python file. So let me show you that Python file also. Here is delete. Okay, Python file. Here I have. Okay. Here the same thing is there. The wristlet created by NetSuite developer is given here to Python developer, and then he has arranged all these things step by step. We have all mapped the headers, and then we have just created a file that is unsuccessful entries. Okay, and similarly in the script part, here is our wristlet that we have created, and we have given it to the Python developer like this. And after that, let me show you here. And inside that, we have created an array that we have returned. So this array is returned here. See here, internal ID, only these 4 records. See, 1, from here 2, 3, and 4. These 4 records are returned, and then these 4 records are one by one, they create a tuple, and then they have generated file here like this. So this is how we hit the button, and then we get the complete data. So in most of the organizations, when they need only integration part, so this integration wristlet part is most important. Why? Because most of the organizations, they need to integrate. They don't want to retire their own personal website, and also they want to switch from that website to NetSuite. So this is how wristlet works, taking the data from the wristlet and deleting through Excel sheet. So guys, I recommend you to watch my previous videos also, and practice this. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel. And if you face any difficulty while practicing this, you can comment me on the comment box. I will resolve that. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.